You know, just sitting in places like this sometimes can really put things into perspective. You know, it's just peaceful down here. And you get in tune with God and listen to God and listen to everything that He made. And then you get to see these wondrous places that are just in your own backyard. You just got to go explore and then appreciate, you know, everything that the Lord has done for us. And, you know, I just want to thank God. I want to thank God for what He's done. And I've really enjoyed making this 5-part series over Easter. And I have truly been blessed just being able to do this and share this with you. And so I want to pray with you real quick, one last time. Let's thank God. Let's thank our Lord Jesus Christ for what He's done.